material की then संबंध okay okay so then settle solvers initial state set for all dynamics. So I am ready for my simulation. So just hide your proxy and put it in reference. Shading you can on. So your carom board is ready to hit. So I want to hit a cut shot. Now you said na initial velocity I can give between z direction and x direction. Yes. So z5 y this is x5. I'll just give you. Let me see which direction it is going. Oh, too much. Oh, not entered 5. So it will go middle. Good. So like that I have to adjust. This is 10.
Sir, always straight line. You can't make a curved line. Always.
No, dynamics will never go in curve. Oh, gira kwan. Kya shot. Good shot. Oh, literally great shot. Cut shot. It's recording. So like that I can play. But I want to stop this in a poker. I want to make a net. So literally very simple. You can take a cylinder. Once again, this is a proxy. Select the faces, upper faces, delete. Select this. Put it down near your hole. This is your hole. Just scale it down. There is 5. And put it there somewhere. Okay. Then put it in the same layer, this proxy layer. Okay, visibility on you can do for some time, visibility off. This for this edit delete type by history I'll say, and this is a passive body, and this will be hidden inside like a template. This will be seen outside like this. So automatically what happens? It will fall. Why it is falling outside? Tell me. Because of the normals problem. Because presently if I see these normals are totally display polycomponents, normals are outside. Because my simulation should be inside. Just go for your modeling, normals, reverse. Once this is done on it, so I want to create something else in the original mode. So
like the bridge one you said, something like
bridge one. So what I will do is literally go for my surfaces, go to front view. I'll create some like go for CV curve tool and start creating something like this. Then say surface revolve, then go to the end sweep and all those things. Just adjust this like a poker or something. Press 4. I want to close that down part because simulation doesn't happen on this, no problem at all. You can just literally make it like this. Then you can select this and say go to edit curves, duplicate surface curves, and literally bring this curves out, delete this, more than enough. Then create circle, yes, go on, yes, extruding that. Select this and select the curve, surface, extrude, add component and this, scale this down. Then you can go for your scaling. In the starting now when I joined, our classes used to extend up to 10:30, 11 also. Then you just delete your curves, then group it, say modify center pivot. So where you want to put that thing, you just drag it there, or duplicate I said, whatever. Top view, you bring it there, press 4, scale it down, so it control G, modify center pivot, scale it down until it matches your hole, put it there, press 5 and check it out with your proxy, it's matching or not. You just put wherever that proxy is there. Okay, then either you want to scale your proxy also, you can proxy scale, you can do. So you can scale literally up to there, so it it will stop somewhere there and hide that. So literally this is shown like the coin is falling on the understood na? Like this faking. This is faking of dynamics. Internally something is there, but externally we can see only this thing. They are hidden, not rendered at all. This is totally rendered outside. Okay.